storytelling has always been the way to do that, because it fundamentally helps people view the world not from their perspective, but from yours. And that's made itself present not only in campaigning and knocking on doors, but it's also made itself present testifying at the legislature, at the city council. It's made itself present, you know, organizing a protest and convincing people to come, because this is an issue of national importance. This is an issue of human rights.
Come join us in a little creative play.
We will create something like this.
Really, today I'm going to show you very simple and fun little zine making.
This is Invasive Species Month, and we wanted to kind of showcase a little bit of how, you know, how we can eat it.
The Big Bang split and we came ashore. Dust set adrift to the wild, wild breath. Spoken in frequencies by your death. Over souls pointing to the open door.